Welcome to Western Rubber's channel. Today we are breaking down the inflatable seal versus the standard rubber seal for your help to pick the right one for your project. Whether you are in engineering, manufacturing or maintenance, this is for you. Let's dive in. Standard rubber seals are everywhere, like car doors, refrigeration or plumbing, made of durable rubber. They stay fixed in shape and block water, air and dust. They are more popular because they are affordable, easy to install and reliable at stable condition. If the surface is uneven or there is a vibration like machinery, the seal does not tight enough. That's where inflatable seal shines. This seal expands with air or fluid, pressing tightly against surfaces like a ballooning filling a gap. They are perfect for tough jobs like industrial doors, submarine hatches, or food processing equipment. They adapt for imperfections, handle for high pressure, and work for the system like open and close often, like aeroplane doors and medical sterilizers. So, when do you use each? Go for standard seal for simple and static setups, home appliances, automotive parts, or basic plumbing. They are low cost and low maintenance. Inflatable seal are for challenging environment with uneven surfaces or frequent movements. They cost more and need upkeep to ensure the air or fluid system stays leak free, but they deliver where standard seals can't. For example, a vacuum chamber in a factory needs an inflatable seal for an airtight clip, where a standard seal might not cut it. At Western Rubbers, we are here to help you to find a perfect sealing solution. We offer a high quality standard and inflatable seal based on your needs. Got questions? Drop down in the comments and check our website. Link is in the description.